What happens after the hotels close their shifts, after the vacation rentals are spotless, and after thousands of visitors have enjoyed another perfect day in Puerto Morelos? The people who make your vacation unforgettable finally get a little time for themselves. And today, we're taking you to see exactly how they spend it. Welcome back to Abbey del Sol. If you're new here, we're proud to be one of Puerto Morelos' leading vacation rental companies, welcoming travelers to the Mexican Caribbean for over 20 years. On this channel, we love sharing the places, traditions, and local experiences that make Puerto Morelos so special. But today, we're showing you something most visitors never get to see. Puerto Morelos is a small beach town where tourism is part of everyday life. Most of the people who live here work in hotels, restaurants, vacation rentals, tour companies, or other tourism businesses. They work hard every day to create unforgettable experiences for visitors from all over the world. But have you ever wondered what they do once the workday is over? One of the town's favorite traditions is the local soccer league. Every week, coworkers and friends come together for friendly matches filled with energy, competition, and laughter. On the field, you'll find bartenders, front desk agents, maintenance technicians, gardeners, pool specialists, housekeepers, and many more. During the day, they're taking care of guests. At night, they're teammates. What makes these games even more special is the atmosphere. Families gather on the sidelines, children play while their parents cheer, friends reconnect after work, and sometimes something really heartwarming happens. Visitors who fell in love with Puerto Morelos and decided to make it their home come back to support the very people who once welcomed them during their vacations. It's a beautiful reminder that hospitality doesn't end when the workday is over. Here, the community feels like one big family. This is the Puerto Morelos we love, a town where hard work, friendship, and community come together both on and off the field. If you enjoyed discovering this local tradition, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another authentic experience from Puerto Morelos. And tell us in the comments, if you worked in tourism, what sport would you play after work? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure from Puerto Morelos.